So hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about on deleted photos, or let me just give you an overall view of it. So sometimes whenever you scroll gallery or something photos, it might be very important, and unfortunately by some mistakes or by something you deleted a photo which you don't want it to delete and which is really important for you. At that moment you might think that as it has been deleted, now how could I get it back? So here you can get it back by this trick. It is not even a trick, also it is a provided setting given by the gallery app itself. So whenever you just deleted a photo which you really wanted to get back, or which you wanted back again, you can just do that. Get into the gallery app, and at the right side you will see three dots. Tap on that three dot and scroll down, and there you will see a setting, and just press the setting. Then when you scroll down you will see additional setting, and there you can see the option of a trash bin. There is the trash bin, like dustbin. Whenever we just throw the garbage, until and unless we throw to the municipal corporations, it still stays in our home. Similarly here, whatever you just deleted, it stays in that trash bin for 30 days. After the 30 days it will be permanently deleted. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Meet you on the next video. Thank you.